Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect one of your data tools to Orchestra. After landing on the pipelines page where you can see a list of all your pipelines and data products, you head over to the integrations tab. An integration is essentially our name for like a data tool like dbt. We have a concept of a connection, which is a configuration you use to access one of your integrations. This is really helpful if you want to have different teams or different environments. So for example, here you can see we have a prod and a staging account for dbt. So in this example, we're going to create another account for our Fivetran connection. So head over to new connection, select Fivetran, give your connection a name, and then we'll ask you for some details. You can see there's always a setup guide here on the right. So I'm going to go ahead, add in my API key, my API secret, and then hit add credentials, and then it'll validate the secret, and then you're done. You're now ready to build data pipelines using Fivetran.